Question 8. Looping through a string. Even strings are iterable objects. They contain a sequence of characters. Example 2. Loop through the letters in the word banana. The break statement. With the break statement, we can stop the loop before it has looped through all the items. Example 3. Exit the loop when X is banana. Example 4. Exit the loop when X is banana, but this time the break comes before the print. The continue statement. With the continue statement, we can stop the current iteration of the loop and continue with the next. Example 5. Do not print banana. The range function. To loop through a set of code a specified number of times, we can use the range function. The range function returns a sequence of numbers starting from 0 by default and increments by 1 by default and ends at a specified number. Example 6. Using the range function. Note that range 6 is not the values of 0 to 6 but the values 0 to 5. The range function defaults to 0 as a starting value. However, it is possible to specify the starting value by adding a parameter range 2, 6, which means values from 2 to 6 but not including 6. Example 7. Using the start parameter. The range function defaults to increment the sequence by 1. However, it is possible to specify the increment value by adding a third parameter, range 233. Example 8. Increment the sequence with 3. Default is 1. Else in for loop. The else keyword in a for loop specifies a block of code to be executed when the loop is finished. Example 9. Print all numbers from 0 to 5 and print a message when the loop has ended. Note, the else block will not be executed if the loop is stopped by a break statement. Example 10. Break the loop when X is 3 and see what happens with the else block.